Hello, Namaste, all of you. I am Suresh Chinchorkar, man of mathematics and physics. I welcome all of you to my channel named Astro Palm Chintamani. Today we are going to discuss self-counseling and very important part of the palm, that is thumb. As such, in the childhood we have listened the story of Dronacharya and Eklavya. When Eklavya wants to give some Guru Dakshana, Dronacharya says, "Give me your thumb." So that much thumb has got the importance. To know your character, thumb is enough. Now, as I have told you that we are going to discuss about the self-counseling. Counseling itself means the two person. One is the counselor and second is the client. But here I say self-counseling, there is nobody else other than me. So who will be the second person to take your interview? The second person is the target which you have decided, and the third person is the path which you had traced to reach the target. So in self-counseling, it is very important to have the target and the concept to cover the path of the target. Once these two things are there, then the things becomes very easy. Now let us will go to the second part. In the second part, as I told you, that is thumb is very important part of the palm. We call thumb as a leader because there are 5 fingers. Out of that, thumb leads all the 4 other fingers. Thumb, if you consider, the thumb, animal has got also thumb, human being has also got the thumb. But the human thumb is a bit larger than the animal thumb. So the more the larger the thumb, the more the intelligence is there. You can see that whenever you lose your temperament, whenever you become thoughtless, that time your thumb is always under your finger. So whenever you become thoughtless, that time if you mark, your thumb is under your finger. But when your thumb is normally, it is very open, that means you are having confidence, you are having courage, you can face any situation. So all these things are indicated by thumb. So how it is easy for the counselor when he knows what is good and what is bad with the person or with the client. To counsel him, it becomes very easy. Therefore, with every psychological things, we have adjusted the palmistry and astrology. Oh, nice of you, all of you, that you have listened me, and thank you for coming.